Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is inspired by Patrick Ta's work on the gorgeous Shay Mitchell. She had a very glam bronzed makeup look at the SAG Awards, and that's what we're recreating today. Starting with the eyes, I'm using Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer to create a base for my eyeshadows, and then setting that area with my IT Cosmetics Superhero 4-in-1 brush. The double-sided brush has a blending brush on one end and a liner brush on the other. The blending brush has 3 options where you can switch between a smudge, crease, and all-over shadow brush, which I thought was pretty cool. You can achieve the most seamless blend with this brush as the bristles are so soft. For today's eyes, I'm using my KKW and Mario palette from KKW Beauty and picking up the shade Miami to blend it into my crease as my transition color. I'm also blending that shade onto my lower lash line as well. Picking up the shade Loyalty, I'm applying that to my outer lid to lightly smoke out the look. I'm not going heavy-handed as I don't want to take away from the soft bronze tones. And then using the liner end of my IT Cosmetics brush, I'm smoking out my lower lashes. The liner bristles are very flexible and not dense at all, which makes it perfect for smoking out eyeshadows. Taking this small tapered blending brush, I'm applying Loyalty directly into the crease, almost creating a soft cut crease as I don't want this to be too defined or sharp. Next, I'm taking this gold cream shadow from MAC called Indian Wood and applying it with a flat concealer brush all over the eyelid. This is such a stunning, highly pigmented gold that works well under shimmer and foiled eyeshadows. To slightly darken that gold and make it more bronzy, I'm picking up the shade Glam and patting that all over Indian Wood to amp up the lids. Using my Sigma gel liner, I'm creating a very basic winged liner, something simple and not too overpowering. And then smoking out the ends of the wing with my Makeup Geek Corrupt eyeshadow. The IT Cosmetics liner brush is also perfect for smoking out winged liner, as the flexible bristles move the eyeshadow exactly how you need it to without putting in too much work. I've been using this Rimmel lash curler over the past few weeks and I've been loving how all my lashes stay lifted throughout the day. I'm also loving the new Stila Huge Extreme mascara that I received in my Mecca Beauty Loop box this month. It provides amazing length as well as creating fuller looking lashes with only a few coats, and I love that the ink is jet black as well. Today's lashes are in Style Baroque from Allure, something soft yet long as to not take away from the bronzy eyelids. Alright, today I'm trying out something new from IT Cosmetics. It's their CC Plus Oil Free and Matte Cream. If you don't know, CC stands for Color Correction, and this full coverage foundation provides that as well as hydration, minimizes the pores, brightens your complexion, and provides an SPF of 40. I love the formula as it concealed my acne scars really well and gave me an all-over matte look without my skin looking dry and dehydrated. I used about 2.5 pumps here for a full coverage look, but you would only need around 1 pump for an everyday look. So do I recommend it? Absolutely, especially if you have combination to oily skin types. To brighten the center of my face, I used my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and applied it under my eyes as well as my T-zone, and then blended it all out with a beauty blender. I also baked under my eyes to catch any fallout from my eyeshadows. To deepen my lower lashes a tinge more, I picked up the shade Triple Fudge from my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. I found Triple Fudge a little ashy, so to warm it up, I smoked it out with Albanian from the KKW palette. Next, picking up the shade Bronzy, I applied it to the inner third of my lower lash line just so it adds a nice sparkle when looking straight ahead. Now to contour, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso on the perimeters of my face and then buffing that out with a MAC Jewel Fiber brush. And then I'm setting those areas with my MAC Medium Deep Powder. For my lower lashes, I'm using the Stila mascara again. And then to finish off the eyes, I'm using my Napoleon Purtis Copper Element Loose Eye Dust on the inner corners to brighten and open up the eye area. And to finish off my base, I'm applying MAC Gold Deposit to all the highest points of my face. And then MAC's Format Blush, as it's the perfect bronzy summer shade for brown skin tones. For lips, I'm lining them with MAC Cork Lip Liner and then filling them in with Huda Beauty's Liquid Lipstick in Trendsetter. And finally, topping them off with NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. This combo provides the perfect peachy brown lip. And to finish the look, a quick spritz of the Mario Badescu Aloe Vera Chamomile and Lavender Facial Spray. And this is the completed look, guys. I hope you liked my take on the Shay Mitchell inspired bronze look. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I will see you next week. Bye!